My car cleared. Tomorrow just their last day, and I needed to vacuum it. That's the only reason I'm here. I don't know if y'all can hear me or if it's too loud, but yeah. This way, let's get a vacuum spot. They done had an accident over here, didn't it? I'm with myself. I'm trying to little reason. I just want to be chill, but little reason you gonna crash out. Oh, is this a spot? Yep. Nope, no it ain't. Yes it is. Sort of. Kinda. Nope, it's not. Damn. Thought I had one. Dang, everybody want a free car wash. Shh, I see somebody bagging out now. That's crazy. Dang. Oh, wait. Got a spot. Need some gas, all the extra crap I just had to do. It might get loud. I might just speed this part of the video up. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Sit y'all up somewhere, wipe it all down, just crap like that. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. Oh, well, I'll show y'all the outcome real quick. This how it looks. Free car wash. Yeah, okay. Uh-oh, see some scratches. And I tell you, I hate car washes. Had to come because it was free. Now look at me. We'll buff all that out. Meantime, let me sit y'all down real quick. I'll be back.
You got it all.